This is Fox 26 Morning News at 8 a.m.
Hello, everybody, and good morning. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jose Grignon.
And I'm Melissa Wilson. Glad you're here. So much coming up for you this hour, including relief for snorers and their sleep-deprived partners. There was a new non-invasive procedure that requires no mouth guard and no breathing machine. Even better. We'll show you how it works. Sleep ruined by snoring. If that's you, or maybe your partner, your dentist may be able to help. Here to explain is local dentist, Dr. Colin Lathrop. Good morning to you. Thanks for being here. I'm so glad you're here to talk about this. We're going to start talking about what is the typical thing that everyone uses, for the most part, for problems like this.
So many times an orthodontic type retainer that helps to hold the lower jaw forward, keeps the tongue off the back of the throat so that you open your airway and you stop snoring or that sort of thing.
You actually made this, and you tried it out yourself so that you would be able to explain it to your patients. What does it feel like?
It's pretty tight, a little uncomfortable. When you wake up in the morning, sometimes the jaw's sore. So we wanted to look at other treatments that would work better, be more comfortable.
And I've covered stories on this before, and it actually looked like it could change your bite as well, too. I believe, could it make you have an underbite?
Make you have a big underbite and cause some problems in the jaw joint itself.
Okay. CPAP machine. It's a large machine that a lot of people have to have, and they rely on it to keep them alive at night.
That's right. Pretty uncomfortable and pretty large machine. You know, and your partner, you know, your husband or your wife would have to listen to that running all night.
There is a new procedure, though, that has come about. Tell me about that and how it works.
So a company called Fotona has a laser system that works very well. It's called night laser therapy. We use a laser attachment to heat the back of the throat, causes collagen fibers to shrinken and tighten the back of the throat, which opens the airway. Snoring really goes away.
Right now, we're taking a look at this. It looks like a pretty simple procedure, but when you say heating up, are you able to feel that, or is it like a typical laser where you don't feel much?
There's no cutting, there's no pain. It feels like you're drinking warm coffee, so it's very comfortable. Usually there's a 50% reduction in snoring after the first treatment. It's pretty quick as well, only 15 or 20 minutes per treatment, so it's very effective.
When you talk about the fact that it's lowering snoring, can it help with a more serious problem like sleep apnea?
It can. Some folks, they can't tolerate a CPAP machine. They're very claustrophobic or that sort of stuff. So they can use an orthodontic retainer device as well as night laser therapy to open the airway. Otherwise, they're at a greater risk of stroke or cardiovascular problems.
With this procedure, do you just have to have it one time, or does it take place over a period of time?
We do 3 treatments, about 21 days apart. And after the first treatment, again, there's 50% reduction in snoring usually for most folks. So it's very effective to increase the quality of one's sleep.
It sounds like this would be sort of a cosmetic procedure, so to speak, so I'm sure insurance does not cover this?
Insurance is working on it. They don't cover it yet, but it's really more of a health and medical procedure to make people's sleep comfort better, but also improve their quality of life.
Well, we know that quality sleep can lead to everything of lowering your risk of cancer. I mean, it's important to get that sleep. And how can we find out more information about it?
You can actually go to Fotona's website or nightlays.com and read more about it.
Dr. Colin Lathrop, thank you for being here. Excellent information to share. I have not heard about this one, so I'm glad to share it with our viewers.
Thank you very much.
Jose.
Great idea.